In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make multiple YouTube channels using just one Gmail account. This can be incredibly useful if you're managing different brands or want to separate content types for your audience. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to YouTube. You can easily do this by typing youtube.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the site is fully loaded, you'll find yourself on the YouTube homepage. In the top right corner, you'll notice your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options available. From here, you need to select Settings. This is where you'll find various account management tools to help with customization and control over your YouTube presence. Within the settings, look for the option that says Create a New Channel. Clicking this will take you to a page dedicated to creating new channels under your Gmail account. You'll see a field to input your channel name. This is where the creative part comes into play. Choose a name that reflects the theme, purpose, or brand of your new YouTube venture. Make sure it resonates with your target audience and is easy to remember. Once you've settled on a channel name, you'll need to type a handle. Handles are unique identifiers that make it easier for users to find and interact with your channel. They're preceded by the @ symbol and are short and catchy. Think of something that's both memorable and synonymous with your brand or content style. After filling in the necessary fields, here comes the final step. You'll see a button that says Create Channel. Click on it. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a new YouTube channel. Creating multiple channels with a single Gmail account is not just convenient, it allows you to streamline management and improve your content's reach without juggling multiple accounts. This flexibility can be particularly advantageous if you have diverse interests or business objectives that you wish to keep distinct yet unified under one email. Now it's time to explore the features and customization options of your new channel. You can add channel art, descriptions, and links to other social media platforms. Make sure to take advantage of these features to personalize your channel and make it visually appealing. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to creating multiple YouTube channels using a single Gmail account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you diversify your content or manage various interests with ease. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy creating and good luck with your new YouTube channels.